Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the USS Seawolf in 1/700 scale from Hobby Boss. It can be purchased for about $10 and comes on one sprue with a small decal sheet and a display stand. It also has the option of being built with the planes and masts extended or retracted. The molded details are not as crisp as they could be, but I think it works for this scale, and the mold lines are relatively easy to address. The instructions are on the back of the box and are, for the most part, clear, though correct orientation on some of the decals can be difficult to determine. The build for this kit is just about as straightforward as it gets. The entire kit only has 6 parts in total. One recommendation I will make is to remove the central locating pins on the hull halves. I didn't do that with this build, and it caused a small alignment issue with the hull. Sanding took care of it, but I think that could be largely avoided by just removing these pins. I painted it using Tamiya's Hull Red and a 50-50 mix of flat black and NATO black. I had a small issue when placing the decals for what I think are the launch hatches, mainly being the carrier film created a reflective surface while I was placing them down, and I couldn't see the hatches underneath to get them aligned properly. So you may want to place some masking tape or make a small mark to help you get those aligned when you place them. I will admit to knowing absolutely nothing about the Seawolf, so I can't speak as to the accuracy of the kit. This just looked like a fun little kit, so I thought I would give it a try. I have a couple other kits from this same line of models, videos coming on those soon, and they have been equally simple and straightforward so far. I would definitely recommend this kit to anyone looking for a quick and simple weekend build that will make a nice little display piece to put on the shelf. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Happy hobbying.